Hello nail peeps and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. This is where nail things happen. You might as well subscribe. I'm just saying, I'm throwing that out there. It is time, people, for this month's Mani by Me Maniology subscription box. This is the November 2021 subscription box. It actually, I love this about Maniology. They sent it with another order of mine, so they didn't send it separately, which is really cool. So, you know, fewer options as possible. So I open up the box and this is what I see. I've got our 2 cards in our package, so let me get those out for you. And what fell out of the package but this mango soft jelly. These actually are really yummy, and I love that they started to introduce some way to bring the candies back. So thank you, Maniology, for doing that. Really appreciate you. So candy love. Let's have a look at the cards first. This is the, I think, isn't this one a Christmas box? Anyway, I'm not going to read this. You guys are welcome to pause and then read it. I like to be surprised. I have an idea, but anyway, I'll put that aside for later. And then this is the Mani by Me tutorial. I'll do a video on the tutorial as one of my next videos. So, Mele Kalikimaka. Mele Kalikimaka is the thing to say. Okay, so it's Christmas in Hawaii kind of thing. Jingling into the holiday spirit, Hawaiian. Okay. And then in the back, oh, yay, this is going to be exciting. Oh, I can't wait to do this one with you guys. This is going to be super fun because we've got a little gradient going on. Looks like we've got some reverse stamping going on. So I'm going to follow these step by step and see how difficult that is for you guys. Like, I know I could recreate this, but your average nail person is not necessarily super adept at this. So hopefully it's a really good tutorial about that. That would be awesome. So that's coming up. Be prepared for that video. Let's open. This is the unboxing. Oh, okay, they had another powder. Ooh, you guys, I can't wait for next month. I'm not gonna say what it is, but I can't wait for next month. Okay, so this was a powder. I believe it's a dark green. Let's just open that real quick. Sorry about the crinkle. Crinkle. Okay. And did it come with a brush? I don't think it came with a little eyeshadow brush, which normally it does, but okay, now hopefully I can open it without making a mess. Ooh, really pretty, very Christmassy. And I have another brush off to the side, so I'll just use this one, and I'll use a different side. Just can take some things off of there. Yeah, we won't be able to see it on these nails. I'll have to do something to play with that a little bit. It's definitely going to be green and it's definitely going to be sparkly. So that is exciting and fun. Ooh, look at it just on the very shimmery, just on the eyeshadow brush. Okay, so that was the extra bonus item. Let's started with that, I guess. Okay, set that off to the side. We've got our 2 colors. I'll get back to those in a minute. Get these out of here. A Mani by Me stamping guide. I don't think they've been putting these in recently, which they didn't think it was my first box. But anyway, I don't see these in all of them, which actually makes me happy because if you're a subscriber, that means you're getting multiple boxes and you don't need multiple of those. Okay, so here we go. We've got the 2 plates. This was Christmas in Hawaii, MXM068. What do we have here? Oh, that's a cool Christmas tree one. What does that say? Oh, Beachy Christmas. I'm sorry about the glare, guys. Let me see if I can adjust it real quick. We've got Festive Open to Surf. What is this? Oh, those are seashells, like in lights. Here's a wreath. 'Tis the sea-sun. Sea-sun. To be jolly, that's funny. Different Christmas. Oh, Christmas with, Santa Claus with sunglasses on. This tree is really cool. Christmas luau. So there's all different kinds of like Hawaiian themed, different fun goodies on there. Okay, that's MXM068. And then we've got MXM067. And this one looks like it's got little gingerbread and they're like set for the sun and in, oh my gosh, that's so cute. They're in little, oh, what do they call them? Bathing suits. That's cute. Different ornaments. I mean, it's Christmassy, but it's also, oh, okay, so this has got Christmas gifts, but it's also got your tubes. Oh, a ukulele with a little girl. That's cute. My daughter plays the ukulele, so I'm probably going to be using that one. Sand between mistletoes. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, that's so cute. Gosh, some of them are so hard to read. Jingle bells and seashells. That's neat. And they're hard to read because I can't see you guys. Merry Christmas. We've got, oh, this looks kind of like Waikiki Beach. So, Maniology people, is this Waikiki Beach? With the famous, is it Diamond Head in the background? Okay, been there a couple of times. All right, the plates are pretty cool. Very Christmassy, very Hawaiian at the same time, which is kind of fun. So I'll be excited to do that tutorial with you guys. Let's check out the colors real quick. Let me pause while I get a scissors. Okay, just found some scissors. Gonna get in here and see what the colors are. Swap them out. Okay. Ooh, this red is like fancier than I expected. And the green is a nice shimmery green. So let's go ahead and swatch these before we put them back in. Something feels different. Is it? I don't like it. Maniology, I don't like it. Okay, so the tops of these, they actually feel more sturdy, which is kind of interesting and fun, but they're like they're a matte, so they feel rougher on your hands. Maybe that's a good thing. Well, let's see if the brush has changed. So here's an old one. I pulled this out because it's an old one. And here's this new top, I guess. I wonder if they're gonna keep continuing that. It looks as though they're a little shorter. Are the bottles different? The bottles are a little bit different as well. Oh, I don't know what's going on here. I don't know, Maniology, what's going on? I mean, now that I have a collection of 8,000 that look the same. I mean, this is just a minor thing, but I'm just noticing differences, that's all. Okay, so let's see if they, because Maniology brushes are okay, but I think they could be better. So here's the original. Let's see if this brush is any different. I don't like this brush compared to the other one at all. Hold on, let me look at the red one. It looks like it was splaying out. It looks like it wasn't as flat. Oh my gosh, no, I don't like that as much at all. Although I don't really, let me see if I can open both at the same time and show you the difference. This is a pretty decent brush. I think it could be better, but it's a pretty decent brush. And this looks like a lesser quality brush, honestly. Do you see the difference in the brushes, the way that they're built? This one kind of is a little bit fanned on the edge. And this one, here's a major thing. Can you see the very end? This one looks like it's popping out. That is not good. That is not good because that means you don't know exactly where you're putting your stuff. I don't know. I'm a little concerned about it, but I mean, it's not a huge difference, but we will definitely see. What I'm going to do also is I'm going to do a swatch on fingernails. So let me get that ready for you. Okay, I went and I prepped 2 fake nails so I could show you. And I also chose really big ones because when you're painting your nails, you know, having to go back over it multiple times because they're wide is a real thing. And the brushes matter specifically in that case. So here we go. Here's our brush. It seems to be a little streakier than it would normally be. Maybe I'm making stuff up here, guys. You have to tell me. Tell me what you think and what you notice. But this is what happens when your brush is not quite as smooth. If anything sticks out, then you're going to get those little lines. Okay, let's try the green one. Oh, by the way, the colors are, this is Shaka Santa. Can you see that one? Shaka Santa, which is a really pretty color, by the way. Very pretty. And we'll do 2 coats on these just to make sure I'm not going crazy. And then Tutu Mele. Interesting. It's a Hawaiian word I don't know about. Mele Kalikimaka, so it's got to be a Hawaiian word. Okay, here we go. Oh, I don't like the fact that the brushes are sticking out. Their old brushes were much better, I'm sorry. Maybe this is a one-off. Maybe this is a one-time thing. But look how fat the end of that brush is getting. Even without product. Let me take some of the product off. Oh, no, it looks okay. Maybe I'm overreacting. But I definitely see some brush ends sticking out at the end. I don't know. And normally they're wider. Let me compare that. Let me compare. I'm going to set these off to the side to just kind of dry real quick. I'm going to pull out and I'm going to get off as much as I can. And then, yeah, that's just such a smoother, that one has a smoother consistency too, but. Okay, so one thing, this brush is longer. The green brush is longer. Just, is it? No, don't be crazy. No, it's not. It's not longer. It feels longer, but it's not longer. It's smaller. Let me get the rest of this stuff off. It is smaller. Am I going crazy, you guys? And it's rounder, and that's the problem. This brush is more flat. The original brush is more flat, and this is more round, which means when it's round like that, it's just more difficult to use because the consistency isn't, it doesn't get as flat as you want it to. Anyway, I don't know, maybe I'm just absolutely crazy. I'm a stamper though, so it really doesn't matter to me. I use their polishes for stamping more than actually painting my nails. Let's go ahead and do some swatches and see how beautiful these stamps, stamp. Because, I mean, they're gorgeous, honestly. And let's start with my favorite. This is out of the 2, this is my favorite, the Shaka Santa. Shaka Santa. Let me make sure I have my, I've got a monocle stamper with a brand new stamping head on it. I'm gonna make sure I'm focusing. Had a lot of focusing drama because I was trying to do some close-up stuff. All right, for putting it on the stamper, I mean the stamping plate, not an issue at all, but I can definitely tell the difference. Okay. Ah! Getting a little crazy over here. There we go. That's a pretty color, you guys. That's a perfect Christmas color, honestly. That's really pretty, really lovely. Nice glittery red for Christmas. I like it. I'm a fan. Okay, let's clean this off and then we'll do another one. Okay. Clean off my scraper. It's a mess. Okay, now off to the Tutu Mele. Mele Kalikimaka is the thing to say. Gotta love a good Hawaiian song. Or a Christmas song. I mean, a Hawaiian Christmas song is even better. I forgot to clean off my stamper, so I'm going to do that now. And let's get things ready. Okay, plop her on. Nice. So this one is a shimmer. This is more of a glitter. I don't know. Is that what you guys would say? I know, it's not, like if this is a glitter, it's a super, super fine glitter. Super, super fine. Very Christmassy colors though, and very festive. 100%, I agree. Okay, let me clean this off, and I'm gonna do one more coat, just so we can kind of see what's going on here one more time. Okay, and I'm wondering if all of their polishes are gonna be in these bottles and these. So here's the Shaka Santa. It could be. Maybe the consistency of this one was just because of those fine glitters in there. Because it seems to have worked itself out. And it actually, I mean, it looks grainy even now, but it's the second coat really helped. But this one isn't grainy at all, and it had the same kind of brush. So I think it had everything to do with those fine glitters. As long as it goes on smoothly, I mean, the brush, any nail person is going to tell you that the brush on a polish makes a difference. And these are definitely different. They're okay. I don't notice a huge difference, honestly. This one just looks grainy after it dries, though. I don't know about that. I mean, with a top coat, it's not going to matter. But it's a really, that fine glitter is super duper pretty, honestly. That is a great Christmas color. 100%. Okay, so that's kind of what we're looking at. Let's go back through all the things you're going to get in this November 2021 box. First of all, you get your cards that explain what everything is, and you get your tutorial card, which is awesome. Then you get the stamping plates MXM067 and 068, which were Hawaiian holiday themed. Then on top of that, you're going to get your two cool colors and festive colors, which are, let me see if I can, Shaka Santa and Tutu Mele. I'm gonna pop those right there. Awfully bright, isn't it? Let me see if I can turn, there we go. And finally, your color right here, which was that really pretty, I guess I should turn it upside down so you guys can actually see it. It's so cool because it's got lots of, are those hollow flakies, you think? Creating that shimmery, let me see if I can, I don't know, but it's really, it's shimmery, it's fun, it's Christmassy, and it's definitely gonna be something that I play with a little bit more. Okay, and let's not forget our fun candy that Maniology has found a way to bring back. So thank you, Maniology, once again. So this right here is the unboxing of your November 2021 Mani by Me box. And people, I do want to remind you that if you want to use my code and get yourself 10% off of your order at Maniology.com, you certainly can. That code is GrooveMama. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, that would be even more special. That would be at GrooveMama is where you're going to find me for that. And, you know, until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye!